Searching for LED permanent outdoor lights for rooflines in the St. Louis area? Consider outdoor lighting perspectives for your needs. There are many benefits to investing in myriad types of home upgrades. These improvements are not consigned to indoor spaces. Think outside the box and outside your home. Permanent roofline lighting is an outdoor lighting installation that provides endless choices in aesthetics. Though the installation is permanent, the look is anything but. If you choose a permanent roofline lighting installation, you will be fully in control of your lighting every day, every moment of the year. Express your mood through colors and patterns, impress your neighbors, and create your own animations. Or use one of the preset lighting animations found in Gemstone Lights' proprietary mobile app. Your permanent outdoor lights installation will not be relegated to the front of your home alone. These lights add stunning aesthetics and functionality anywhere on your home. They can be installed on all sides, including the back of your home, beautifully highlighting your backyard outdoor living space. Permanent roof lighting is not just for holidays. But when the holiday season arrives, there will be no ladders, no tangled string lights, no malfunctioning bulbs. You will literally hold your holiday lighting in the palm of your hand, inside the comfortable confines of your home. Illuminate your Christmas cheer in mere seconds. This is your time to shine. Our outdoor permanent roofline lights designers and installers are here to help you set the perfect scene with high-quality LED permanent lighting for your home or business in St. Louis and surrounding areas. Call Outdoor Lighting Perspectives of St. Louis at 636-202-0369 today for your complimentary lighting design consultation.